my Red Bull, and we're getting it.
I said, don't film me.
As you guys can see, I got some battle wounds over here, battle wounds up here.
If you try to snatch the camera out of his hand, I'll break your neck, bro. It ain't nothing yours to do to me, bro.
Welcome to the John Ligato Show. I'm John Ligato.
You can do whatever you want, but just understand something. Your name will go on the lawsuit. Mind your own fucking business. I'm a member of the press. Go get in your car and do your job, little doggy.
You know, I've avoided this auditor, Chille de Castro, because I thought he was a comedian and not a serious auditor.
I'm standing right here. I'm at least 10 feet away, officer. I got to tell you, I'm a constitutional law scholar.
But I was wrong about Chille. He's not funny at all. And I didn't know he's a constitutional law expert. Wow. But Chille did know that he was 10 feet away, so let's discuss that 10 feet.
When recording police, you're going to need to know your rights. The U.S. Supreme Court had the opportunity in 2021 to affirm that this activity is protected by the First Amendment throughout the country, but it failed to do so.
Okay, so one of the biggest auditors' BS is they constantly assert that the Supreme Court allows them to record police in public. But they never have done that. You'll hear it in almost every video of this type when the subject comes up. The Supreme Court has allowed us to record police while doing their job. Lower courts may have ordered it, but the Supreme Court never ordered it. Quit saying the Supreme Court allows you to record police in public. They don't. They never have.
You good? Why'd they say that you were pulled over?
Before you release.
Oh, I see.
Like, what a
Oh, I see. Oh, gotcha.
You can film, but you need to stay away from my driver. Back up. Back up, or I'm going to detain you.
You're going to detain me how? In which way?
Get away from my car.
Actually, I'm standing right here. I'm at least 10 feet away, officer. I got to tell you, I'm a constitutional law scholar.
I'm not going to deal with the constitutional law scholar. I mean, I don't really know how to deal with that, but let's deal with the 10 feet away. This is another auditor myth, that you have to be 10 feet away. Nothing could be further from the truth. A crime scene, each crime scene is different, and each crime scene has its own parameter so as not to taint the evidence. Now, in this case, you talk about obstruction. Chille walks right up to a driver getting a ticket, and he gets into a conversation no more than 4 or 5 feet away. If that is not obstructing or interfering, I don't know what is, but let's hear from a law expert.
Now, this is where a little common sense comes in handy. If you are recording police who are arresting a fellow citizen, then you should do so from a safe distance, like across the street. And do not attempt to get an up-close video of the incident. Basically, you don't want to inject yourself into the scenario. You want to be a silent witness.
All right, so you heard the 3 things that you should do when filming police officers. The first is you should film from across the street.
Actually, I'm standing right here. I'm at least 10 feet away, officer.
And the second thing is do not attempt to get an up-close video of the incident.
Why'd they say that you were pulled over?
Before you release.
Oh, I see.
Like, what a
Back up.
Oh, gotcha.
You can film, but you need to stay away from my driver. Back up, or I'm going to detain you.
So what's the third thing that you shouldn't do?
Basically, you don't want to inject yourself into the scenario. You want to be a silent witness.
No.
Need an additional unit.
Bring your supervisor, please. Bring your supervisor, please. Don't touch
Over
me.
to the car.
You don't get to put your hands on me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. You're not. First get your supervisor out here. You're not just going to grab me and throw me on the ground. You've already released You've already released her. This is 2015 Rodriguez versus United States. I'll walk right in front of your car. Let's go. Sure, come on. Come on. Come on.
You need to set the phone
There you go.
down.
No. I'm a constitutional law scholar. You can't take away my
Set the phone down.
I'm now.
You're being detained. Now you're going to put hands on me.
No.
Right here.
Why are you grabbing me?
Let's get into some more legalities. The police officer notified Chille he was being detained. When you're detained, you can't walk away like Chille's doing. It's resisting arrest. It's obstructing. And Chille does lay hands on the cop. It would be resisting arrest. It would be assault an officer. I mean, for what Chille's doing, he should go to jail for. I don't know, will he? but he should. But he won't, because he's a constitutional law scholar. Every time I say that, I just want to laugh.
No. I'm a constitutional law scholar. You can't take away my
Set the phone down on the hood.
I'm now.
You're being detained. Now you're going to put hands on me.
No.
Come over here.
Why are you grabbing? Sure.
Over here.
Let the phone roll.
I don't care about the phone.
Why are you grabbing
Turn
me?
around.
I'm a
Turn
member
around.
of the press.
Turn around.
I'm not doing anything.
You're being detained.
I'm not
now.
doing
Turn
anything.
around. You're going in handcuffs.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can we slow down? Get supervisor. I haven't done anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Don't make me.
If you want to detain me, then put detain me.
I am putting you in handcuffs.
So before I viewed this video, I just thought Chille DeCastro was a comedian. I mean, he's not funny. He's basically another auditor coward who insults and baits police officers knowing they wouldn't risk their pension on such a low-level cretin as you, Chille. John Ligato show is being broadcast from outside the gates of Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune in beautiful North Carolina. If you like the show, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. We do not ask for personal information. You guys have a good day. Semper Fidelis.